Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we will discuss about how to fix the Shopee voucher error M02. First of all, you need to open your Chrome browser and then go to the website of the Shopee. After logging to the your account in Shopee, you can go to the VR vouchers or you can go wait to after login in here. You can see that I have some voucher that I have already claimed and used, while there are some that I cannot claim yet process. The three dots on the top right corner can help you open the setting. After scrolling and finding the privacy and security section, you clear the cookies and the site data. You can choose to clear all browsing data or just the cookies itself. Either way, this should solve your Shopee voucher M02 problem. Hopefully, this video answer your query. This is a simple tutorial about how to fix the error M02. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share this to those people who don't know about it. How to fix M02 error in Shopee.